The Mercedes-Benz Vision One-Eleven concept is a stunningly modern take on the brand's 1970 C111 experimental prototype. Revealed with gullwing doors and a host of futuristic features, the car pays homage to the classic C111, known for its aerodynamic design and exclusivity. The Vision One-Eleven brings back the iconic gullwing doors, reminiscent not only of the C111 but also of the legendary 1954 300 SL. The design, with its oval-shaped front end, dual circular taillights, and hood-mounted star, is an unmistakable nod to the original 1970s experiment. The Vision One-Eleven was conceived at Mercedes-Benz's International Design Center in Carlsbad, California. While the original C111 was powered by diverse engines including a four-rotor rotary, a five-cylinder diesel, and a turbocharged V8, the Vision One-Eleven does not focus on powertrain technology, but rather on design and style. This marks the most significant departure from the original model. The new concept car integrates elements from the C111 into a modern, cohesive, and bold design, with notable features such as a canopy-style roof. In terms of design language, the Vision One-Eleven adopts the Mercedes EQ one-bow style, characterized by curvy lines and a cab-forward appearance. The body appears to be cradled by an aerodynamic kit consisting of front and side splitters and an aggressive rear diffuser. The color scheme of the original C111 has also been reimagined in a more functional manner. The car's low profile is a notable feature, especially for an electric vehicle, standing at just 46 inches tall, which is only about 2 inches taller than the original C111. Underpinning this low profile is an innovative axial flux electric motor technology developed by YASA, a subsidiary of Mercedes-Benz. Unlike traditional radial flux motors found in other electric vehicles, axial flux motors are more power-dense, giving engineers greater flexibility in their placement. In the Vision One-Eleven, the placement of these motors near the wheels is suggested by the distinctively bulged wheel arches. This configuration theoretically enables a total power output of around 1,300 horsepower. The interior of the Vision One-Eleven is a modern reinterpretation of the 1970s aesthetic, with a color scheme of silver, orange, and white. The cabin features low bucket seats reminiscent of Formula One racing cars, while a full-length canopy glass and narrow dashboard give an airy feel to the interior. The concept also incorporates augmented reality, with virtual buttons for infotainment and navigation systems appearing to float above the surfaces. Though the Mercedes-Benz Vision One-Eleven is primarily a design concept and not expected to enter production, elements of this concept car, particularly the axial flux electric motors by YASA, are anticipated to be incorporated in future Mercedes-Benz models. The Vision One-Eleven serves as a testament to the automaker's ability to blend heritage and innovation, creating a bridge between its storied past and the promising future of electric vehicles. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.